Today we'll study about the multiplexer. Okay, it is the part of the combinational circuit. As I already told you that combinational circuit it will include first adder, okay, subtractor, then after that it includes mux. Mux means the multiplexer, then it will include demux. Demux is the demultiplexer. Okay, so whenever there is a multiplexer, there are more chances that question from the multiplexer came instead of demux, but both you have to do. Okay. So first of all, we'll do about the multi multiplexer is also known as mux short. Got it? So in the mux, suppose there are one room, your room, okay, and we are having number of entries in your room. Like suppose 1, 2, 5, 6. We are having entries in your room and we are having only a single output. Output means the exit from your room. So this can be happened or not? Hmm? This can be happened now. So if your room is like this, that is known as multiplexer. Basically, what I want to say in the multiplexer, we are having n number of in. We are having n number of inputs, or we are having single output, and single output by y, right? Okay, now I'm giving you one example. Like suppose this is your almirah. Just imagine that this is your almirah and there are three boxes. Okay, and suppose in the first topmost you put all the shirts, right? In the second box you put all the, okay, and in the third maybe you put towels. So you want in the output there should be one would be output. Like in this case, three are the input and output would be one. So now the question is how will we get the single output? Now I make a rule. If I select 0, then it will give one t-shirt out. Okay. If I select like here we are having the select line. This one is 0, this one is 1, this one is 2. Just imagine that there are three buttons. Okay. If you press 0, it will be out. If you press 1, then jeans will be out. And if you press 2, then towel would be out. Okay? Tell me, any doubt up to here? No? So t-shirt, jeans and towel, these are your input. And 0, 1, 2, these are your select line. Because you are not selecting the t-shirt, jeans and towel. You are selecting 0, 1 or 2. And in the output, you will get only the single output. Correct? So this is all about the multiplexer. When we are having different number of inputs and we are having single number of output with a different select lines. Got it? Hmm? Okay. Now the question is how many there should be the number of in how many there should be the select line. Select line is always denoted by the term M. Okay. Number of inputs are always denoted by n technically and output is represented by y technically. Got it? So we are having one formula that is 2 raised power m is equal to n. Raised power m is equal to n, where m is the select line and n is the number of inputs. So if I'll suppose I'll give 6 input, yes I give 6 input. So tell me how many should be the select line? Can you tell me? There would be 3 select line, 4 select line, 5 select line. Hmm? N is equal to 6. So that was raised power how much? 2 raised power. Oh, sorry. Let us consider we are having 8 number of inputs. Then we are having 3 select line. Got it? So we are having basically different types of multiplexer. One is the 2 is to 1 multiplexer. Another one is the 4 is to 1 multiplexer. Another one is the 8 is to 1 multiplexer. Then 16 is to 1. Then 32. So that would be per 1, right? 2 raised power 2, raised power 3, raised power 4, and raised power 5. In this multiplexer, we are having two inputs, one select line, right? And in this case, we are having four input and two select line. And in the third case, we are having how many inputs? Tell me, eight input, right? And three select line and so on further. Got it? Okay. So select line is always denoted by S term. It would be S naught. If there are two select line, that would be S naught and S1. And if there are three select line, there would be naught, S1 and S2. And if suppose there are four select line, then that would be S naught, S1, S2, S3. Got it? Clear? And in this, suppose there are two inputs, there are two data, right? Data also is denoted by D0, D1, then D0, D1, D2, and D3. Similarly, so in this we are having 8 now, D0, 1, up to so on 7, right? So from this you can select it that if there is two one multiplexer, then out input goes from up to n minus 1. Like suppose this is the number n, so input would be how much? N minus, right? If there are four inputs, so input goes from 0 to n minus 1, correct? Then again 0 to n minus 1. So if I'll draw a standard multiplexer, that would be common for all. And if there is n is to 1 multiplexer, that number of inputs are denoted from note D1, D2, and it goes up to how much? D raised to power n minus 1, right? And output is denoted by y. And how many are the select lines? That is S naught, S1, and S raised to power m minus, right? And the output is represented by y. Clear? Now tell me, any doubt up to here? Hmm? This is the basic of the